In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily create an account on the platform BYBIT. First thing you have to do is go down to the video description, click on the link, and you will get to exactly this page right here. And then as you can see, you will be invited and you can get the best sign up bonus possible, which is up to $30,000 in bonuses. Depending on how much you deposit and trade, you can pick up to $30,000 in bonuses. To create an account, you simply have to go up here, enter an email address, then set a password, and click down here on Get My Welcome Gifts. Once you have created an account and you log on for the first time, you will get to this page right here and you can now start to deposit money, buy crypto or leverage trade. If you need more tutorials on that, you can check out many videos on my channel. Also, don't forget to pick up the best sign up bonus possible with up to $30,000 in rewards with a link down from the video description. And if you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.